welcome to my channel. Building furniture. I love working with wood, but I live in the countryside in Italy. There's no DIY store anywhere near, and to be honest, the wood that you can buy in a DIY store is really not that high of quality. So a couple of days ago, with the weather forecast predicting rain, I figured, instead of working outside in the garden, maybe I can do something inside, and why not build some furniture. Yeah, so the only type of wood that I can easily get in this area is, well, it's basically roof boarding. And well, looking at this piece, it got me thinking, and I started to draw up a couple of designs. The nice thing is you can go wild on your designs. So these days with the rain, I thought, you know what, I still have that studio area where I used to live. I have a stove in there, so it's warm and cozy. So I turn on the stove in the morning and I started to make some sketches and build my first piece of furniture. But let's take a look at the first design and the first results, because I really love it. It's quite elegant. I think it fits really well in my apartment. The design style, the light, it's lightweight, it's wood, which, I'm here in a green area. Yeah, I really like it. I hope you do too. And well, take a look and make up your mind. Thank you very much. Enjoy the video. Probably need a bigger one on the side. No, first layer, not bad. Can make these two. something else. Needs attention. Huh? You need attention. Yes, I know. I tried to look at old furniture and repurposing it, but somehow I feel like those pieces, they are just too big to, they don't really fit into my apartments, like design, like style wise. So I thought of something a little bit lighter, and this is the result, but this is only one apartment. And I still have 20 pieces of furniture left to build. Wardrobes, nightstands, shoe racks, etc. The nice thing about this is, I think that, first of all, I really like the design. I love it. I couldn't find anything like that online. And whatever I did find online, it's I bought a couple of pieces, but you know, it's quite rubbish if I may be honest. Online it looks nice. When you buy it and you unpack it and you put it together, you're like disappointed. I think that I spent 80% of my time preparing the wood and 20% of the time putting it together and varnishing it. And the one thing that really saves me time, if I have to build 20 other pieces, is like a tabletop planer and thicknesser. That will save me the time of sanding down all these pieces. And sanding down, you know, if you sand it, it never really gets really smooth. So I think tonight I'm gonna take a look at those machines. They are quite expensive, that's the only downside. But if I think about 20 more pieces plus the outdoor kitchen, and who knows, maybe I'll come up with other ideas. That's the one tool that I'm really missing. But the nice thing about the design itself is that you can play a little bit, maybe depending on where you have to put it, even the nightstands. You can have it like that a little bit, maybe put two bigger pieces there on the side. And that would be also nice because every apartment in the end has its own character. So thanks for watching. Maybe I'll see you around another time. And well, I'll post a video with the end result in the apartment. Can't wait, but I have to varnish it twice. So takes a little bit of time. Keep the heat on, maybe it dries a little bit faster. Ciao.